So the important thing with ratios is making sure that you do them correctly, and that you can't just simply add things to fractions and have the fractions stay the same. You need the proportions to stay the same. Or when you're given a new proportion, make sure that you modify it appropriately. So in this case, the original ratio is 5 to 1. Another way to think about it, though, is that even they may have 6 items on their menu, 5 meat to 1 vegetarian, so it's going to be some multiple of 6. So they could have 6 items on their menu, they could have 36, they could have 600 items on their menu. So really it's best to represent this ratio as 5 times some multiple of 5, and then 1 times that same multiple. Because then that allows us to account for the fact that there's some multiple of those things. With this accounted for, then we can actually do the math that's expressed in the rest of the problem. So the new ratio then, that 5x, the number of meat entrees is decreased by 5. And the number of vegetarian entrees, we can do 1x as x, was increased by 3. And that new ratio equaled 5 to 2. So this is a legal way to change the ratio and then solve for what the number actually equals. Because x, we can actually figure out x from here. We would simply cross multiply. We would get 10x minus 10 equals 5x plus 15. Subtract 5x from both sides, we get 5x minus 10 equals 15. Add 10 to both sides, 5x equals 25. X therefore equals 5. And that's our answer. Answer choice E.